Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. You will be directed to official homepage of WordPress. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now hover your mouse to the profile section, which is at the top right corner of your screen. And there you can see my account link. Click on it. After that, under account settings tab, scroll down to the bottom and you can see close your account permanently. Click on it. Now you can see close account button. Click on it. After that, you will get a prompt here. Now click on continue button. Now you will need to type your username on this field here. After typing in, you can click on close your account. So that is how you can delete your WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.